Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we have a special treat for all you tabletop RPG enthusiasts out there. We're diving into a detailed review of the Chessex Dice Set, specifically, the 10mm Scarab Jade / Gold polyhedral dice. If you're looking to elevate your gaming experience, you might find this set to be just what you need. We've included a link in the description below for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? The Chessex Scarab Jade / Gold polyhedral dice set consists of 7 intricately designed 10mm dice, which includes a D4, D6, D8, D10, D12, D20, and a percentile D%. These miniature dice are crafted from durable plastic and feature a stunning jade green color accented with gold numbers, making them both aesthetically pleasing and functional. One of the standout features of this dice set is its compact size. At just 10mm, these dice are perfect for those who have limited table space or prefer a quieter gaming experience. If you often use a dice tower, you'll appreciate how these smaller dice create less noise when they tumble down. This thoughtful design allows you to focus more on your game rather than the clattering of dice. These dice are perfect for a variety of tabletop role-playing games, including classics like Dungeons & Dragons, Shadowrun, Pathfinder, Savage World, and Warhammer. Whether you're a seasoned player or new to the hobby, this set can easily fit into any RPG or board game session you join. Additionally, the included plastic case is a great touch for keeping your dice organized and protected, ensuring that they stay in pristine condition. Now, let's talk about who this dice set is suitable for. If you're a player who loves to collect dice, this set is a must-have addition. The unique design and vibrant colors will stand out in any collection, and let's be honest, you can never have too many dice. It's also an excellent gift for friends or family members who share your passion for tabletop gaming. In practical terms, these dice can enhance your gameplay. The precise numbering and easy-to-read design mean that you won't have to squint at your rolls, allowing for a smoother gaming experience. Whether you're rolling to attack a fearsome dragon or attempting to navigate a tricky puzzle, these dice will serve you well. In conclusion, the Chessex 10mm Scarab